Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Explorer Mrinal. So today I'm gonna take you to a very famous place in the world, that is New Zealand's. It's this area is in New Zealand. This area is called Sounds, MILFORD Sounds, Dusky Sounds and Doubtful Sounds. There are three sounds are there. So today we are here in the MILFORD Sound. Famous poet and novelist Rudyard Kipling, he described as this place is the eighth wonder of the world. So you are likely to see many more waterfalls in this area, okay, if you trip to the MILFORD Sound, but mainly there are two main waterfalls can be visible here. Viewers, you can see the ship is rotating slowly. It will take a 360-degree turn because today we will have to take 42 our passengers. Here is another guest who is talking to me. Then he is asking why the ship is taking turn. And I have to tell him that yeah, we are taking another 42 passengers today because they were deplaned few days back so that they can stay in the local area and they can explore the area. They are our guests, so we'll have to take them using our tender boat. Okay viewers, let's talk about the MILFORD Sound. What time is the best time in the year to visit this place? Yeah, you can see some of our crew members on board. They are the bar staffs, so they are wearing some winter clothes. It's very cold out here, so you can understand that winter is the best time to visit, and from June to August you often get clear area. This area is very clear now. You can visualize it. Yeah, however, it is said that April, May and September, October are less crowded in this area. So, but still winter is the best time to visit, as it is said here. Here are some of my friends and colleagues. Hi. So we are working together on board from different nations. Yes guys, let's enjoy the beautiful MILFORD Sound. So viewers, we were on top of deck 15 at the mid of the ship. Now I will take you to the front of the ship. Let's go. This is the front of our ship, ovation of the seas. We have a helipad here where helicopter can land here. Yes, look at me and my eyes. Every time I'm closing because it's very dry outside here. It's very cold. বৰ্তমান আছোঁ আমি নিউজিলেণ্ডৰ মিলফৰ্ড ছাউণ্ডত ৱৰ্ল্ড ফেমাছ যিটো ৰডিয়াৰ্ড কিপলিং এটা ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যন দি গৈছে যে এইটো ৱৰ্ল্ডৰ 8 নম্বৰ অজুবা বুলি কৈছে চ' ঠাইখিনি খুবেই ভাল এইখিনি আমি মিলফৰ্ড ছাউণ্ডত আছোঁ বৰ্তমান ডাস্কি ছাউণ্ড আৰু ডাউটফুল ছাউণ্ড আছে বেছি দূৰ নহয় ইয়াৰ পৰা বাট মিলফৰ্ড ছাউণ্ডটো সবচে ধুনীয়া হয় আজি ৱেডাৰ সবেই ক্লিয়াৰ ৱেডাৰ আছে মোষ্টলি কি হয় এই এৰিয়াটোত বৰষুণ থাকেই আমি কেইবাবাৰো আহিছোঁ কেতিয়াবা এনেকুৱা পৰিস্থিতি হৈছে একো দেখিব পৰা নাযায় আজিতো পাহাৰবিলাক খুব ক্লিনভাৱে দেখি আছোঁ আমি চ' আমাৰ গেষ্টখিনি আমাৰ যিখিনি গেষ্ট আছে কেতিয়াবা তেওঁলোকে খুব লাকি থাকে ৱেডাৰ ভাল থাকে কেতিয়াবা গেষ্ট ওলাই আহিবৰ কাৰণে সুবিধা নাপায় কাৰণ ওপেন ডেকটো সব জিকি বৰষুণৰ কাৰণে তিতি থাকে তো খোজ কঢ়া অলপ দিগদাৰ হয় চ' বেষ্ট টাইমটো হৈছে ইয়াত বহুত ঠাণ্ডা এৰিয়া এইখিনি খুব চিল হয় আজি অকণ ৰ'দৰ ভাৱ এটা আছে কাৰণে আমি অলপ ওলাব পাৰিছোঁ জেকেট নোহোৱাকৈ বাট উইণ্টাৰ ছিজনটো ইয়াত উইণ্টাৰ ছিজন জুন আৰু আগষ্টলৈকে থাকে এইটো বেষ্ট টাইম হয় তো এইটো টাইমত মেক্সিমাম মানুহ অহাটো ইয়াত বিচাৰে চ' আপোনালোকে কওক কমেণ্ট ছেকশ্যনত কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে মোৰ কমেণ্ট ছেকশ্যনত মই ৰিপ্লাই দিব চেষ্টা কৰিম আৰু ভিডিঅ'টো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব মোৰ চেনেলটো আৰু ভিডিঅ'টো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব ধন্যবাদ So viewers, thank you so much for being with me for last 7 minutes and I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, comment and hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification once I upload one video. Thank you so much.